dear students, this is Ravindra Kumar Gupta, your accounts teacher from Gurukul Academy. Today I have selected a topic for you from the chapter Dissolution of a Partnership Form. Now I am going to explain you the format for preparing realization account. As you know that while preparing the accounts for dissolution of a firm, we have to first prepare realization account. So here on your screen you can watch a format given for realization account. First of all, the format includes particulars, amount debit side, next particular, and amount credit side. As usual, you have prepared revaluation account and other accounts which have the similar format. So the same format will be followed here in realization account. The format will include assets, liabilities, payments, and receipts in a different way. So here I am going to explain you with the next format that is also of realization account, and you can watch at debit side what is given at the first. It is sundry assets account. So all the sundry assets accounts from your previous balance sheet will be transferred here with the full amount excluding cash, bank, fictitious asset, accumulated losses, debit balance of partners' capital or current account, loans to partners. So these excluded items would be left out and rest of other assets would be transferred here at the debit side from the previous balance sheet. Credit side written is by sundry liabilities account. So here at credit side in realization account, we will transfer all the liabilities from the previous balance sheet, excluding partners' capital accounts, loan from partners, reserves, accumulated profits, etc. Similarly, debit side to provision on any liabilities account. If any provision is given in your balance sheet, that would be transferred to debit side if it is related to any liabilities. Credit side by provision on any assets account. If any provision on asset is given, then it would be transferred to credit side, just as provision for doubtful debts, which is on debtors. Debtors is an asset, so it will be transferred to credit side. Next, debit side, bank account or cash account is given. Amount paid for discharging liabilities means if the firm is paying any amount for discharging any liabilities, if any liability is payable and the firm is paying at the time of dissolution, so that amount would be debited with the name bank account or cash account as per given in your balance sheet, bank or cash, that would be mentioned here. Credit side by bank account or by cash account given, that is to be used when amount received on realization of assets, means at the time of dissolution the assets would be sold and the amount realized, amount received from the persons would be credited here in realization account with the name bank or cash. Second, debit side, bank or cash account is also again given, and that is for expenses on realization account. Means if any expenses is being made on realization account, that would also be mentioned at the debit side of realization account with the name bank account or cash account. Similarly, bank account and cash account is being used for the amount paid for discharging liabilities. At the credit side, again bank account or cash account is given for amount received from unrecorded assets. If any asset is unrecorded and we are receiving any amount through that at the time of dissolution, so that amount received from unrecorded asset would be credited in your realization account with the name bank account or cash account. Debit side, second last is given partners capital account or partners current account. that will be used for liabilities taken over by a partner or remuneration, commission paid to him, or any expenses beared by him. So everything is related to a partner. If any partner is taking over any liability, he is liable for paying any liability or paying any remuneration, commission, or any expenses he is bearing. So he will be debited here with his name, partner's capital account. Suppose the name of the partner is Sohan. So Sohan's capital account or Sohan's current account, that would be debited. Credit side, again, a partner's capital account is given. Assets taken over by a partner, recorded or unrecorded. So any asset in your balance sheet, if it is recorded already, or any unrecorded asset is being taken by a partner, that would be credited in realization account with the name of particular partner. Whatever the name would be there, that will be used. Next, debit side, last entry is partner's capital or current account for profit on realization account, and credit side, partner's capital or current account for loss on realization. Whichever would be the difference, debit side or credit side, that would be shown with the profit or the loss. If the balance remains at debit side, that would be profit on realization. If the balance remains at credit side, that would be called loss on realization. And the balance of realization account, whether profit or loss, that would be transferred to partner's capital account or partner's current account. So that's all for preparing realization account. After that, we need to prepare partner's capital account. The format is at your screen. Then after cash account or bank account, thereafter sometimes we have to prepare loan account of a partner, and then journal entries. So that's all to be done in your dissolution account. I'll explain you how to prepare partner's capital account and cash or bank account, or if required, loan account, and finally journal entries. So today I have discussed only about realization account to you. So you must be go through with this video. Watch out each and every point. If you face any problem in any kind of solution or any kind of question, then please ask me with your message, with your call anytime. Thank you.